Hello everyone. Calm. Everything I'm about to explain today comes from the recommendations of the technicians at this appliance repair shop, who have extensive experience. So relax, because we're going to fix this issue. When a customer comes in with a Kenmore showing F20, the first thing we do in the shop is identify that this error almost always indicates a drainage problem. The machine can't remove water from the drum. Thoughtful. So we check everything from the drain pump to the hoses and filters before thinking about more complex parts. Many times we've seen washers with standing water and the screen displaying F20, which confirms that the water flow is blocked. In many cases, the problem is the drain pump. Shop technicians explain that this pump can get clogged with clothing fibers, lint, or accumulated dirt. Cleaning or replacing the pump usually gets the washer working perfectly again, and F20 disappears almost immediately. We also check that the electrical impulses activating the pump are in good condition, because a loose wire can also mimic a blockage. On the other hand, the drain hose is another critical component. If it's bent, dirty, or improperly connected, the washer interprets that it can't drain and shows F20. In the shop, we always make sure the hose is straight, unobstructed, and that the inlet filter is clean, because this often solves many drainage issues without needing to replace the pump. Additionally, the drain filter is carefully inspected. Technicians remove any debris that could block the water flow. This cleaning is key because even small obstructions can cause F20 to appear intermittently and inconsistently. On some occasions, when the pump, hose, and filter are in perfect condition, the problem may be the control board. The technician checks that the circuits and sensors are working correctly. If the board is damaged, we replace it to ensure the washer drains water without errors and that F20 doesn't come back.